I'm Rick with Pye-Barker, and I've worked on Bloomin Brands security needs for over 15 years.
We created this 90-second video to share cost-saving solutions designed just for you.
Next stop, the takeaway. Let's go.
Takeout is an essential part of the Bloomin Brands business model, but theft can take a nasty toll on the bottom line and make for some angry maids.
That's why we came up with a simple keyless entry system to restrict access to takeout orders.
Quick to install, easy to use, it's an effective tool to stop pilferage and keep hungry customers happy.
When busy food delivery drivers pick up the wrong order, it's frustrating for everyone and costly. With our access system, restaurant staff easily unlock the takeaway door using a wearable fob. Controlled access helps ensure the right orders get in the right hands.
We installed this system at half a dozen Bloomin Brands stores with great results.
We know the thing you value most isn't on the menu. It's your staff.
That's why we created a variety of solutions to give your staff confidence in the event of an emergency or unsafe situation.
Bar fight? We got you.
Medical emergency? Help is on the way.
ABC just partnered with Pye-Barker Fire and Safety, the nationwide leader in fire, life safety, and security services. Now, we're your one-stop shop for sprinkler systems, fire extinguishers, AI CCTV solutions, and so much more.
Let us create even more efficiencies to help your business thrive.
Don't miss out. Give us a call today.
JVPs, thanks for watching. And as a prize, this month we're going to run a special and give away all the equipment to you for free for one lucky winner.